Hey all, just to let you know that if you're a big fan of Steam Railway content, train videos, railway content, heritage railways, go over to my Rumble account, aka my channel, where you can access and see various clips and videos from the Kent East Sussex Railway, the Romney Hive, and also other railways as well. I haven't really got a variety of steam railways, only the Kent East Sussex Railway mainly at the moment. But the plan is to visit more railways in the future, aka steam railways, heritage railways, etc. But for now, the content that's on there are the Kent and East Sussex Railway. Enjoy if you do watch, and also watch it as well all the way through, as it does help me financially, so that I can fund to make more videos and also put money towards fundraisers I'm hosting. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, enjoy the videos.